In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Excel files into a single table with Microsoft Copilot. First, make sure the files you want to combine are stored in the cloud. Save each Excel workbook to OneDrive or a Microsoft 365 SharePoint library. Copilot works best when it can securely access your files online, and keeping everything in OneDrive or SharePoint ensures the links you reference will resolve correctly. If your files are local, upload them to your preferred OneDrive folder or the right SharePoint site before you begin. Next, open each workbook and format the data as an official Excel table. Select your data range and press Ctrl+T, then confirm that your table has headers. Using tables helps Copilot understand the structure, preserve column types, and merge consistently. While you're there, check that column names match across files and remove any completely blank rows or extra header lines. Consistent headers and clean data will save time later. Now open the Excel workbook where you want the merged data to appear. This can be a new file or an existing one. In the ribbon, select the Copilot icon in the top right to open the chat pane. You'll type your instructions here just like you would with a helpful assistant. Enter a clear and specific prompt. For example, say, merge the data from the following files into a new sheet here. Ensure all data is combined into a single table. The files are File A and File B. Clear wording sets expectations about where the data should land, the shape of the result, and which files to use. When you reference the files, use the plus button or the @ symbol in the chat to browse and add the exact OneDrive or SharePoint files. You can also paste each file's share URL for a reliable connection. Double check you're selecting the correct versions and that you have permission to access them. Copilot will process the request and create a new sheet with the combined table. Review the results carefully. Confirm the total row count looks right, verify that all columns from each source appear, and scan for unexpected blanks or duplicates. If anything needs tweaking, ask follow-up questions such as adjusting column order, formatting dates, filling missing values, or renaming the output table. You can also clarify your prompt and run it again if necessary. When the merged data looks good, apply any final formatting you prefer, and save the workbook back to OneDrive or SharePoint so your consolidated dataset stays accessible and up to date.